Welcome to English Chats Daily.
Your daily partner for easy English conversations.
Hello, and welcome to English Chats Daily.
Hello, everyone. My name is George.
And I am Eva. We are happy you are here to learn English with us.
Yes, today our topic is jobs and studies. We will learn how to talk about your work or your school in English.
That's right, George. This is a very useful topic for everyday conversation. So let's begin.
Okay, first, let's talk about jobs. A common question is, what do you do?
What do you do? This means, what is your job? How can we answer this question?
It is very simple. You can say, I work as a, and then your job title. For example, I am a teacher, so I say, I work as a teacher.
I work as a teacher. That is a great example. Let's practice that. You can repeat after me. I work as a teacher.
Let's try one more time. I work as a teacher.
Good job. Okay, George, let's use another job. What about a doctor?
Yes, if you are a doctor, you say, I work as a doctor.
Let's repeat that sentence. I work as a doctor.
One more time, I work as a doctor.
Excellent. So, George, what do you do?
I work as a writer. I write stories.
He works as a writer. Now, let's learn a few more job names. You can say the full sentence. Are you ready?
Let's go. First job, a cook.
So you say, I work as a cook.
Next job, a driver.
You say, I work as a driver.
Let's try a few more. What about a nurse?
A nurse helps sick people. You say, I work as a nurse.
Good. And what about a police officer?
A police officer helps keep people safe. You say, I work as a police officer.
Very good. Now you can think about your job. Say the sentence. I work as a...
Great job. Now, let's talk about where you work. George, where do you work?
That's another important question. To say where you work, you can use in or at. For example, I work in an office.
I work in an office. Let's practice the sentence. Please repeat. I work in an office.
Again, I work in an office.
Wonderful. Okay, where does a teacher work? A teacher works in a school.
Right. Let's say that sentence together. I work in a school.
One more time. I work in a school.
Okay, Eva, where does a doctor work?
A doctor works in a hospital. Let's practice. I work in a hospital.
Let's repeat. I work in a hospital.
What about a cook? A cook works in a restaurant.
Yes, let's say that sentence. I work in a restaurant.
Some people also work from their house. For this, we say, I work at home.
That's right. Let's try it. I work at home.
Now you can try. Think about where you work. Say the sentence, I work in a, or I work at.
Great work. Now let's talk about the time, your work schedule.
Yes, to talk about when you begin work, you can say, I start work at, and then the time.
For example, I start work at 9 o'clock in the morning. So I say, I start work at 9 o'clock.
Let's practice that. Please repeat. I start work at 9 o'clock.
Again, I start work at 9 o'clock.
And how do we say when we finish work? We use the word finish.
Yes, you say, I finish work at, for example, I finish work at 5 o'clock in the evening.
Let's practice the sentence. I finish work at 5 o'clock.
Let's repeat that one. I finish work at 5 o'clock.
So you can say your full schedule. For example, I start work at 8 o'clock and I finish work at 4 o'clock.
You're doing great. Now, what if you do not have a job?
That's a good question, George. Maybe you are a student. Many of our listeners are students.
Yes, if you study, you are a student. How do you say this in English? You say, I am a student.